Fluffy, a white little cat with sparkly eyes and a big heart.
Hi, I am Fluffy the makeup cat. I love to do makeover in my little garden salon. Today I have to complete the great task. Time to glam up 100 birds before the big fashion show. Every bird gets a unique style because fashion has wings. I am quite nervous but determined. We can do it. Now this is the time to glam and rock. They are all stars. Mission complete. Stay tuned for my next adventure.